A vortice is an air gun to clean the car, and it is part of the Autobella line, or rather the complete solution of products and equipment for car cleaning. Idrobase offers 3 vortice models on the market. The classical vortice is an air gun to clean motor vehicles' interiors. It stands out for the rotating flexible plastic pipe inside the aluminium cone, the regulator, which allows a precise detergent dosage, the entrance bent at 45 degrees for an easy use. The classic vortice is equipped with a detergent tank and anti-fall plate to make it stable, avoiding casual falls. This is the classical vortice before and after its use. The metal vortice is the evolution of the classic model, always composed of an air gun, but marked out by a greater resistance of the rotating metal pipe, that ensures a richer air jet and less maintenance than the classic model. The metal vortice is very effective in addition to interiors cleaning, also for the outside cleaning of the wheel rims in particular. The regulator allows to dose detergent and air at best. The foam vortice is specially designed for all those who own a compressor instead of the washer and are therefore forced to use water directly from the water system and the sponge for washing and rinsing. The foam vortice is always an air gun used for external foaming of motor vehicles and mechanical parts. Common features for all 3 models kept under the Idrobase quality brand is the chrome plating, which makes all 3 vortice models untouchable by chemical agents, and the regulator that allows a precise detergent dosage. All 3 models of a vortice also share the same air working pressure, varying between 6 and 9 bar. In regard to detergents, we recommend Hydrowind, a concentrated detergent with a pleasant scent to match the classical and metal vortice, while the Double Green, a double component concentrated detergent component, is for the foam vortice.